Oh, welcome. I was still trying to check on how we can use this. This is the most exciting cooking show on this planet, and under the banner Ndawoyam, and the program is Kitchen Pulpit. Now I'm getting to know a lot of these kitchen utensils, while I used to know a lot of vessels, but now talk of many kitchen utensils. I can say them even when I'm sleeping. And wow, Kitchen Pulpit, you know, it is a program that extols good health through the way that we eat. And of course today we do have one of our best organic chef, and his name is Chef Clement, a pastor on the Kitchen Pulpit. Chef, today I see there's quite a lot of ingredients. And last week we actually learned how we can actually make soy milk. Are we going to also make use of it today?
Today we're going to make use of it.
Okay.
Yes.
I've seen one of my favorite ingredients, raisins. Come on. So what are we making today? Let us know.
Today we are going to make apple oat casserole.
Okay.
Apple oat casserole. Yes.
Apple oat casserole. I love that. I love that. Well, I can't wait to be able to dig into it and see what it is that you've prepared for us. And of course, to you, our viewers, remember we told you for the next 12 weeks, and we're on week number 4. We continue to learn on what we need to do to prepare breakfast that helps us to eat like a king and work like a slave and enjoy the life that the Lord has given unto us. So I am not going to make you wait for a long time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy Chef Clement as he make apple oat crumble. I hope you enjoy it, and I know this food always looks good, and trust me, it always tastes good. Chef, over to you.
Thank you. All right, sakapa apple oat casserole yedu. Ticha my ingredients yedu ndiwa yai. We've got our oats. We've got desiccated coconut. We've got raisins. We've also soya milk. You can use any nut milk that you can find. Then here we've got sweetener, honey. We've got also dates. We've got also our salt. Obviously, we've got our apples that shandisa. Then with me, I've got the baking dish. Shandisa kuti tigo bekera. So basically, what we need for our recipe, we need 2 cups of oats. So my ingredients edu tinge titongoisira mu baking dish medu imomo. So I will need 2 cups of oats. I'm using a half cup, so you see me adding 4 cups, meaning there are 2 full cups. So our oats, I also need half cup of desiccated coconut. It gives it a nice flavor, and also a bit of oil to it. All right, then next I'll also need about half cup of the raisins. I'll need half cup of raisins. Then you add the ingredients. Then I'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll need 2 cups of milk. This is soy milk, or if you don't have any milk, you can just use even water. Or if you don't have, maybe if you want to add a bit of flavor, you can actually use orange juice. Just squeeze your orange juice, then you can add, or any fruit juice. Then you can just replace the 2 cups with any fruit juice. It can also do as well. So then you add okay, so you can choose what to use between the 2. You can use your dates or your honey, 1 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon of this. So, but let me just use 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you mix the ingredients together. Okay. The next thing that you need your 2 large apples. You grate them, then you add it to your mixture. Okay, so I think we're going to mixer our shredded apples, raisins, desiccated coconut, our honey, our milk, our salt. These are the ingredients that we need. But to make sure that your oats are thoroughly cooked, you just need to add half cup of water to your mixture. Then you are safe to. Okay, let's cut that statement. So we need to add half cup of the water to make sure kuti oats edu anoibva zvakanaka. So the next stage kusvika iko zvino ndeye kubeka. You just need to bake at 180 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. So normally you see it browns on top. Then you are good to go. Your cereal inenge are ready for your porridge. It's very filling, very tasty. Now we can take it to the oven and we wait to eat it.
Wow, there goes our apple oat crumble, and it looks golden. It looks inviting. But I see you've got some other props that are in and around. What are we going to do with this?
Apa payatopera apa mfundisi asi kana wada kuti handimemba toti mazisoft anodyiwa saka you can just, depending on my seeds, my nuts awinawo, you can just chop them
so that you can garnish them.
Yes, kwangwesa just sprinkler on top. Then to make sure that you have got a nice and good looking apple oat casserole, which you can enjoy with your family, especially kids love this one because it's very sweety and tasty as well.
The pick and nuts will bring that crunchiness.
Yes.
Okay. And I see you also have our soya milk.
Yes.
Are you gonna put it in the bowl or in the casserole dish or?
Then you can sprinkle some desiccated coconuts.
If I was going to rename it, I would call it Snow White apple oat crumble. Oh, I like that. Yeah.
So you can just play around with it, just make it more nice. You can add even raisins on top and just to make sure the color really blends. So now it's ready.
It's ready.
Yes.
So are we going
Wait.
Okay.
I will need to cut for you because I know that you take big pieces to taste.
Okay.
So I'm just going to.
Well, there you have it, viewers. You see my chef here, my pastor on the kitchen pulpit, knows his sinners and how they react to all these nice things. Well, I was going to cut you something smaller than what he has done.
Really?
But, well, since you are generous, I can still have it the way that you have put it. Pour a bit of soy milk.
Pour a bit of soy milk.
Can I please test it before the milk?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, get a bit of everything here. This is divine. This is celestial. This is heavenly. Okay. So let me now try it with soy milk.
Soy milk, yes.
Yeah. Oh, it looks fluffy and. Mamma mia. Yeah. Chef.
Yes.
When is the next breakfast, by the way? Well, there you have it, our viewers. It's so tasty, so scrumptious, so soft. So I can have as many ways to explain it. Should you want to have this apple and crumble, you can download the recipe on our online platform. You can give us a call. We can even come and we can teach you how to make this scrumptious breakfast meals. Thank you once again, Chef, for joining us today. I'm sure we still have one more to make them 6 so
Yes.
that we can be able to move into the second part of our 12th series to do with breakfast. Well, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please tell your friends to tell their friends, to tell their other friends and their friends' friends, to tell them that there is something scrumptious on Kitchen Pulpit where we extol a good life. Remember above all things that God desires that you might be in good health, and it surely begins with having a good meal. God bless you.
Thank you.